Why does time only go one way? The weird thing is, the basic laws of physics, they say it shouldn't have to be this way at all. You drop an egg, it shatters, right? We've all seen it. But have you ever, not once, seen the reverse happen? That one-way trip from a perfectly ordered egg to a chaotic mess, well, that's what we call the arrow of time. Our everyday experience, that broken egg, is in a head-on collision with the fundamental laws of physics. Because when you look at the actual equations that describe our universe, from the biggest galaxies to the tiniest particles, they just don't care which direction time is flowing. Now, the answer you usually get in a textbook is entropy. You know, the idea that the universe just naturally goes from order to disorder. So what if we've been looking at this all wrong? There's a radical new idea that suggests space-time isn't just an empty box that stuff happens in. What if space-time itself is an active, dynamic thing? Okay, so the technical term is an oscillatory phase field. And here's the part that'll bake your noodle. In this new picture, entropy is about how in sync the universe's vibrations are. So low entropy means everything is humming along together, a perfect cosmic choir. High entropy? That means the choir has broken up and everyone is singing their own tune. It's the story of a perfect, single, cosmic vibration, shattering. And it's that shattering that gives birth to time itself. Then the Big Bang happens. It's a global phase fracture of space itself. It's the moment that perfect cosmic hum shattered into a zillion different out-of-sync regions. And that process, that ongoing fragmentation, that is the arrow of time.
Okay, but that brings up a really important question, right? Why is it a one-way street? Why can't all those little fractured bits just sync back up again?
You see, when space-time fractured, some of that vibrational energy got twisted up into these incredibly stable, permanent knots. We call those knots matter. And in other places, the vibration got so tangled up, it created what you could call maximal phase locks, what we know as black holes. So think of all the stuff in the universe, all the matter and black holes, as these permanent physical locks that are structurally preventing space-time from ever snapping back into one coherent piece. And that's really the heart of it. The fracturing of space-time was a one-time deal, and the things it created, these locks, are permanent. Space-time can shatter into pieces, but it's physically forbidden from ever putting itself back together again. And just like that, the original paradox is solved. So the Big Bang, this global phase fracture, it wasn't just another event. It was a singular event, a one-way transition that can't be repeated and can't be undone. It was the moment, a timeless, perfectly synchronized reality shattered, and in doing so, created a universe that could only move forward in time.